Deep within your body, working tirelessly day and night, is an organ that often goes unnoticed, yet it plays a crucial role in your overall health. This unsung hero is none other than your liver. It's a powerhouse of activity, performing over 500 essential functions to keep you alive and well. It's the ultimate multitasker, handling hundreds of vital jobs without complaint. From detoxifying your blood to producing essential proteins and aiding digestion, the liver is always on the job. While you go about your day, whether you're working, exercising, or simply relaxing, your liver is busy ensuring your body runs smoothly and efficiently. It processes nutrients, stores energy, and even helps fight infections. Unlike the heart or lungs, the liver often gets overlooked. We tend to focus on the more obvious organs, forgetting that the liver is just as vital. We rarely think about it, yet it impacts every aspect of our health and well-being. From your skin's appearance to your energy levels, the liver's health is reflected in your overall vitality. It's time we give this unsung hero the recognition it deserves. Understanding its functions can help us appreciate the importance of maintaining liver health. Without a healthy liver, our bodies simply couldn't function. It's responsible for metabolizing drugs, breaking down fats, and regulating blood sugar levels. It's as simple as that. Making small, conscious decisions every day can significantly impact your liver's health. So, let's delve deeper into the amazing world of the liver and understand why it's crucial to keep it in top shape. By learning more about this incredible organ, we can take steps to support its function and ensure our overall well-being. Simple lifestyle changes like staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet, and avoiding excessive alcohol can make a big difference. Regular exercise and adequate sleep also play a significant role in maintaining liver health. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider can help catch any potential liver issues early, ensuring timely intervention and treatment. Educating yourself about liver health and staying informed can empower you to make better choices for your body. Stress management techniques, such as meditation and mindfulness, can also benefit your liver by reducing the overall strain on your body. Remember, a healthy liver contributes to a happier, more energetic life. So, take a moment to appreciate this incredible organ and all it does for you. By taking care of your liver, you're investing in your future health and well-being. Let's celebrate the unsung hero inside you and give it the care it deserves. If you found this information helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights. Your liver will thank you. One of the liver's most impressive feats is its role in managing your body's energy supply. This vital organ, often overlooked, is a powerhouse of activity, ensuring that your body has the energy it needs to function optimally. Think of it as a sophisticated power plant, constantly monitoring and adjusting your energy levels. Just like a power plant that regulates electricity to meet the demands of a city, your liver meticulously balances the energy requirements of your body. When you consume food, your digestive system breaks down carbohydrates into glucose, the body's primary energy source. This glucose is then absorbed into the bloodstream, ready to be used by your cells for various functions. The liver then steps in, storing excess glucose as glycogen and releasing it back into the bloodstream when needed, such as between meals or during physical activity. This storage and release mechanism is crucial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. This process ensures a steady supply of energy to keep you going throughout the day. Whether you're working at your desk, running a marathon, or simply going about your daily chores, your liver is hard at work, making sure you have the energy you need. Without the liver's expert management, you'd experience dramatic spikes and crashes in energy, leaving you feeling tired and sluggish. Imagine trying to get through your day with constant energy highs and lows. It would be exhausting and inefficient. The liver's ability to manage energy is not just about storing and releasing glucose. It also plays a role in metabolizing fats and proteins, converting them into usable energy forms. This multifaceted approach ensures that your body can adapt to different energy demands. A balanced diet is essential for supporting liver function. Consuming a variety of nutrients helps the liver perform its energy management tasks more efficiently. Foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants can enhance liver health and consequently your overall energy levels. Hydration also plays a key role. Water is necessary for many of the liver's metabolic processes. Staying well hydrated helps the liver function at its best, ensuring that your energy levels remain stable. Regular physical activity can further support liver health. Exercise helps to regulate blood sugar levels and improve overall metabolism, making the liver's job easier. As a result, you feel more energetic and less prone to fatigue. Managing stress is another important factor. Chronic stress can negatively impact liver function and, by extension, your energy levels. Practices like meditation, deep breathing, and mindfulness can help reduce stress and support liver health. Finally, adequate sleep is crucial. During sleep, the liver performs many of its detoxification and energy management tasks. Ensuring you get enough rest allows the liver to function optimally, helping you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. In summary, the liver is an incredible organ that plays a central role in managing your body's energy supply. By supporting liver health through a balanced diet, hydration, exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep, you can ensure that your energy levels remain steady and robust. Just like a city needs a waste management system, your body relies on the liver to remove harmful substances. It acts as an internal filtration system, constantly working to detoxify your blood and eliminate toxins. From the food you eat to the air you breathe, your body is exposed to various harmful substances daily. The liver neutralizes these toxins, rendering them harmless before they can cause damage. This detoxification process is essential for protecting your overall health and preventing a buildup of harmful substances that could lead to various health problems. Cholesterol often gets a bad rap, but it's crucial for building healthy cells and producing hormones. The liver plays a central role in managing cholesterol levels, striking a delicate balance between producing and removing it from the body. It manufactures cholesterol for essential bodily functions while also removing excess cholesterol from the bloodstream to prevent artery clogging. This balancing act is vital for maintaining heart health and preventing cardiovascular disease. Section 6. Love your liver. Dietary changes for a healthy hero. The good news is that you can take simple yet powerful steps to support your liver health. Start by making mindful food choices that nourish and protect this vital organ. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your diet. These foods are rich in antioxidants, which help protect the liver from damage caused by toxins. Opt for lean protein sources like fish, beans, and lentils, and limit your intake of saturated and trans fats found in processed foods and fatty meats. Section 7. Beyond Diet Lifestyle Tips for Liver Wellness. In addition to a healthy diet, several lifestyle changes can help keep your liver in tip-top shape. Staying hydrated is crucial as water helps flush out toxins and supports optimal liver function. Aim to drink 8 glasses of water daily. Regular physical activity can also benefit your liver by helping maintain a healthy weight and improving insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of fatty liver disease. And of course, if you drink alcohol, do so in moderation. Excessive alcohol consumption is a leading cause of liver damage. Section 8. The Regenerating Wonder. A second chance for your superhero. One of the most remarkable things about the liver is its incredible ability to regenerate. Even if damaged, the liver can repair itself and regrow new tissue given the right conditions. This remarkable regenerative capacity highlights the importance of adopting a liver-healthy lifestyle. By making positive changes, you give your liver the best chance to heal and function optimally. Section 9. Time to appreciate your liver. The liver is a true marvel of the human body, working tirelessly to keep us healthy and energized. It's time we give this unsung hero the appreciation it deserves by making conscious choices to support its health. By adopting a healthy diet, staying hydrated, exercising regularly, and limiting alcohol intake, you can help your liver thrive and enjoy a long, healthy life. Remember, a healthy liver translates to a healthier, happier you.